Hey, what's up, you winners out there? I just wanted to come on and cut a video because I had some people reach out to me and ask how important the MyEcon benefits were and if they felt like everything they got was worth it. So I'm gonna make this video to address what you get with MyEcon when you join, what you're going to be providing to other people when they join, and how important all of these things are to everyday life. So I'm going to start here with the ID Defender, and I kind of think it goes without saying how important identity protection is in this day and time. So many people are getting hacked, and especially with the most recent Facebook attack that affected somewhere near 50 million people, having your identity protection in place, it ensures that, should someone try to attack your personal information, it's safeguarded. I mean, it, even one piece of information being siphoned off by hackers can turn your whole world upside down and disrupt the comfortable life you're trying to build for you and your family. So I think that goes without saying how important at least even this first part is. So just some of the benefits that come with the ID Defender is, as you can see, advanced identity monitoring and alerts, which means if anything is detected, such as like what happened with Facebook or your bank account, whatever it is, you're going to get an alert from them as to what it was, and they're going to help you to protect all that information. $1 million of identity theft insurance. So up to $1 million, your information is going to be insured. So they will compensate you should you suffer any losses or damages as a result of theft. 24/7 lost wallet assistance. This is important. The other week, I thought that I lost my wallet, and it turns out that I left it somewhere, and I was able to locate it. But had I actually lost this, they provide assistance to recover your lost items. It's got computer protection software, as I mentioned in my other video. It's got key logging protection so that people can't track you while you're online and track your keystrokes. And that, believe it or not, that is a very common way that most hackers get your information, because they're logging your keystrokes. And so all they have to go do is, after they record those keystrokes, all they have to do is replicate what you typed in, and they're in. So it's important to have that. And it protects your computer. It protects your computer from like viruses and malware. And so if you are, this can actually save you a lot of money, because right now you could be paying 79 up to hundreds of dollars for computer protection software. And not that those aren't good, but why pay more when you can pay less and get the same type of coverage on your computer? So yeah, complete identity restoration services, and as I mentioned earlier, keylogging identity theft defense system software, and free and discounted legal services. So rather than, and they give you a good breakdown when you join of, depending on your circumstance, what you would pay out of pocket for legal services, as opposed to paying full price or paying hundreds of dollars extra than you otherwise would pay with MyEcon. Very good discounts. I took a look at all of those, and you guys would be impressed with them. Now you can sell this service separately to people who don't want the credit repair services, or the shopping mall, or any other stuff. You can sell this just separate. And yeah, so this is I think this is extremely important to have for you know or to protect you and your family. Really, in this digital age we're in, all you really have is your digital footprint of information. So yeah, and there's a couple screenshots here that show you, you know, kind of a little overview of the back office and frequently asked questions. I'm sorry, it's been a long Saturday. Um, but yeah, so that's an overview of that, and the smart credit system. That is, I think, extremely important too, because I mean, without good credit, there are so many doors that can be closed on you, or not necessarily completely off limits to you, but you're going to pay far more out of your pocket in the upfront and on the long term because of bad credit. And so if you can position yourself to have great or excellent credit, that's going to save you a lot of money for any type of thing that you might want, like a car, like brand new car, or a home loan if you're a first time home buyer, or if you're looking to refinance. Having great credit will definitely allow them to cut some of that interest off of your contract so that you don't pay as much. Let's see. And so when you go into the credit repair, it's called the Smart Money Kit, and you can also provide this separately to people that don't want the identity protection or any of the other things that MyEcon has to offer. Um, Improved credit, debt elimination, and increased cash flow. And again, the increased cash flow comes because that's less money that you're paying out in interest, um, you know, as opposed to someone that has bad credit. And then that pretty much explains itself. Not only that, but they do teach you income shifting strategies, and shows you how to minimize your expenses, how to eliminate your debt, and an investment calculator, because it's important that once you have the extra funds, that you're keeping and holding on to, you gotta know how to put that money back to work for you. And that's really the whole deal behind MyEcon is eliminating debt and then having your money work for you so that you can start building a comfortable lifestyle for you and your family for the long term. If you're just in it with a short, quick cash mindset, you'll still do okay, but you won't really be maximizing the full benefit of what MyEcon is about. So, I mean, they've got step-by-step modules with videos to explain, um, you know, kind of how to go about doing everything and sending your dispute letters off to get the derogatory items removed. And if you provide this separately, if somebody wants this separate, then they just pay a one-time of $99.95, and you get a $50 commission on every sale. And so yeah, it can definitely be lucrative for you, but more importantly, you'll be providing someone else with a service that they definitely can use and most likely need. So um, I hope that was a I hope this video has been helpful. And I mean, there's other aspects of MyEcon that I could have covered, but I think that the ID Defender and the credit system are probably the two most important things that I know I value in MyEcon. The other stuff is great, and also important as well, like health and nutrition. But protecting yourself every day online, and getting your credit improved to have better access to the things that you want and need in life. I mean, that's invaluable right there. So you're going to save hundreds and hundreds of dollars and possibly avert some headache down the road by having these benefits in place. So if you decide to join my team, the link will be in the description below. You can also connect with me on Facebook. I will have the links for both in the description. And if you need any help, we've got full training in place. It's going to come to you as a free benefit. You're going to also get access to our private Facebook group, which has, I mean, it's active all of the time. There's always somebody there to help you answer questions. I'm also directly available. I know this business like the back of my hand, so any questions you might have, I can answer anything, and help you get fast tracked to, getting some income back in your pocket, and just really beginning to maximize the benefits that the program has to offer. And yeah, so I'm not going to keep this video too long. It's been long enough already, but I felt it was important. So I look forward to working with anybody that is willing to take the first step to giving themselves a better lifestyle, and also sharing this with as many people as possible, because everybody I know needs some kind of help, whether they will come out and admit it or not. They need some help. So yeah, or they know someone who does need help. So subscribe to my channel for more videos on not only my econ, but also videos showing how to do certain types of marketing. I've done everything from Craigslist to YouTube, Facebook. So I'll be posting videos to kind of help you guys out. And yeah, so I look forward to working with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Peace.